Right, so I'm going to show you how to change the lock style on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Now the lock style is basically your lock screen style, which basically also combines the lock screen style and the home screen, sort of a theme, all right? So you can do that by going to settings, and then you should see under settings, personalization, tap on that, and then you can see the lock style, what it comprises of. So you want to go to lock style, it goes to your lock screen. So you can choose different lock screen styles starting here. So for instance, if I want to pick this one, I can choose to first of all customize it before I pick it. Now by customizing, I mean I can change the fonts, the font colors, I can adjust the filter, I can have some blur in there if I want to, I can add some depth effect, and then also I can tap on widgets and customize the widgets. So for instance, I can go to this clock widget and I can adjust a few things. For instance, I can have the hour and basically the font and content. I can choose to have information about the air quality, sunrise and sunset, all that stuff. Okay, and I can also choose the font style. And then once I'm happy with it, I can tap on apply, and then it's going to ask me if I want this as a pair or only for the lock screen. I can choose apply to both, and that's going to apply to both. So basically the lock style is your lock screen style, all right, or lock screen theme. But if you want to, you can apply it to the home screen as well. So that's basically how to change the lock style of your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.